How to use text formats on iOS 18. So first, what you want to do is just open up your messages app, then pick any message that you want. So of course, only on your contacts and those who have iMessage. And right here, just simply tap on the message right here. And let's say I want to tap on happy birthday. And now just simply tap on any word right here. Then go to text effect. Now I could edit this out. So let's say I only want this one to be italic, or you could also pick all of these out. So let's say I want this one to be italic, and then this other word, I want this one to be bold. As you can see, I can do that. But once I send it, it will show up like that. And of course, the other person needs to have iOS 18 too, so that they can see those effects just like that.